How to fix KB5048652 fails to install in Windows 10. Ensuring that essential Windows Update services are running allows the operating system to properly download and apply patches. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it, select Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. The built-in troubleshooter can detect and resolve common issues that block updates from installing. Open Notepad. Resetting Windows Update components returns them to default states and clears corrupted cached data. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.